Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, in the licks in the band. Legacies.
Want you people to know about all the upcoming vacancies in the government sectors as well as in the private sector. So in today's video I am going to discuss the top 5 vacancies which are announced by the different sectors from the government, as it is a high time. So as we have seen that there is no vacancies in 2020 due to coronavirus, but हम लोग ये सोच सकते हैं एंड वी कैन प्रिडिक्ट दैट 2020-21 में हमें काफ़ी सारी वैकेंसीज देखने को मिलेंगी. उनमें से 5 वैकेंसीज जो गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर से बहुत ही अच्छी वैकेंसीज हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विद यू ऑल दैट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट वैकेंसी विच इज फ्रॉम LIC, दैट इज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ने एक ह्यूज भर्ती जो है अनाउंस की है, दैट इज फॉर 55,000 वैकेंसीज. So 5,000 vacancies is a very huge amount. Moreover, बेटा इसके application form में we have nothing to pay. इसका mode of registration is going to be online, and if I talk about the post which you people are going to enroll is about the insurance representative. Okay. Now if I talk about the age limit, the minimum age is 18 and the maximum age is 45, and you people know about the relaxation जो भी हमें गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से मिलता है as per the government rule. वो जो SC/ST के लिए होता है 5 साल और OBC के लिए होता है 3 साल. उसके बाद बेटा अगर मैं आप लोगों से एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन की बात करूँ फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट, इट इज़ वेरी बेसिक, दैट इज 10th पास. अगर कोई भी बच्चा 10th पास है सो वो इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकता है. And now if I talk about the salary, so salary is not yet disclosed. If I talk about the second is that is KVS teachers. So student KVS teachers के लिए एक huge भर्ती अनाउंस की गई है which is about nearly, if I talk about, so it is nearly 8,000 teachers. So if I talk about the details, so post graduate teacher that जो होते हैं आपके PGT teachers, उनके लिए है 1,079 vacancies. Primary teachers that is PRT teachers, उनके लिए है 3,000 vacancies, and trained graduate teacher that is TGT जो टीचर जो हायर क्लासेस को पढ़ाते हैं उनके लिए है 3,908 vacancies. Now if I talk about, so nearly 8,000 vacancies है plus the education qualification that definitely आपका graduation होना चाहिए, but B.Ed is not mandatory. If you people don't have B.Ed, then also you people can apply for it. It is a central government job, so job location हो सकती है आपकी all over the India कहीं भी. Now if I talk about the mode of application, that how you're going to apply it, it is definitely going to be online. Now the procedure of examination, how you are going to be selected. So first you have to qualify the written exam, उसके बाद होगा आपका interview जिसे आपको एक अच्छी well reputed score से पास करना होगा. Now moving on to the salary, so salary is very good, maybe starting from 35,000 till we are having 2,09,000 approx आपकी सैलरी होगी इस पोस्ट में. The minimum age, sorry I am talking about the maximum age for this post is 45 years. If you are more than 45 years, sorry, this post is not for you. Now it is a very good because so many students who want to be a teacher in a government teacher, they don't have a B.Ed degree. Without B.Ed degree, people can definitely apply for it because B.Ed degree is not mandatory for this particular job. Now moving on to the third job, UKSSSC ने ना एक huge vacancies announce की है. It is near about 350 posts, and it is उत्तराखंड के जल विभाग ने vacancies जो है announce की हैं. If I talk about the application, mode of application, how you are going to register for that, it is online definitely. And now further, if I talk about the procedure of selection procedure, so first people have to appear for the written exam. After that, you are going to appear for an interview if you qualify the written exam, and if you qualify both, then you are going to be selected. If I talk about the salary, so they are going to provide you a handsome amount of salary, that is starting from approx 45,000 to 1,42,000. Okay. If I talk about the job location, so it is a Uttarakhand vacancy, so Uttarakhand में ही होंगी. So age limit, so age limit is the minimum age is for 21 and the maximum age is 42. If you people are in between these, so you people definitely apply for that. Now if we talk about the application fees, जो आप फॉर्म भरते हो ऑनलाइन, उसका जो application fees होगी वो होगी for बेटा जर्नल OBCs and PWD के लिए 300, SC/STs and PH के लिए होगी आपकी 150 रुपीज. सो पेमेंट जो है वो ऑनलाइन होगी, ओके, बिकॉज द फॉर्म इज ऑल्सो ऑनलाइन. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट the qualifications, so people must have a engineering degree or a diploma in engineering. Now moving on to the fourth job. The fourth job is the SI, it is a sub inspector for UP police. Most of you are waiting for this particular job because काफी लंबे टाइम से, that is 2020 में ना कोई वैकेंसीज यूपी पुलिस से नहीं आई थी सब इंस्पेक्टर के लिए, और उससे पहले भी काफी लेट आई थी. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, इट इज अ सब इंस्पेक्टर एंड अ वेरी गुड न्यूज दैट it is near about approx 10,000 vacancies for the sub inspector in UP police. Now the type of job, it is definitely a permanent job for the sub inspector. If I talk about the selection procedure, so बेटा जैसे कि हर बार रूल्स के हिसाब से होता है, first you have to appear for a written exam, then physical, medical interview, and all this procedure is going to be followed. If you don't know about it, so write in the comment section or just visit to the official website. Now if I talk about the application form की जो फीस होती है, for journal it is 400, for STs and SCs it is 200. पेमेंट जो का जो मोड होगा वो बेटा होगा ऑनलाइन. उसके अलावा बेटा इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द सैलरी, सो दे आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू अ वेरी गुड सैलरी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 9,300 to 34,000. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन, यू मस्ट बी ग्रेजुएटेड, सो you must have a degree of graduation. Now if I talk about the next very important भर्ती which जो आएगी अगले 2021 में, it is from Punjab. जॉब लोकेशन होगी पंजाब एंड इट इज फॉर पटवारी. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, इट इज अ वेरी ह्यूज भर्ती एंड वी आर हैविंग नियर अबाउट 1,500 पोस्ट फॉर वेरियस कैटेगरीज. 3 कैटेगरीज हैं. उसके अलावा बेटा टोटल वैकेंसीज या ऑनलाइन मोड होगा और इसका बेटा सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर होगा एज पर रूल्स जो भी होते हैं. इफ यू पीपल वांट टू नो अबाउट ऑल द रूल्स रिगार्डिंग ऑल दीज वैकेंसीज, राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन और विजिट द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. Now if I talk about the salary, it is a very good salary. Starting minimum if we talk about, it is 34,000. Job location, as I already told you, it is a job vacancy from Punjab state. So the job location is going to be Punjab. Maximum age if I going to talk about is 37. Now if I talk about the education qualification, so with education qualification you people should be graduated. So that's all for today's video. I hope that if you enjoyed this video and you gain a lot of information. If you have any doubt regarding any of the vacancies, so mention in the comment section. I am definitely going to reply all your doubts in the comment section. So for any further videos, any further updates regarding government jobs, any study material, any study information, you people should subscribe to be experts, like this video and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.